All right, so we've covered all of the algorithms, both iteration through policy and value iteration, as well as Q-learning, where we're learning both the reward function as well as the transition function and solving the MDP all at once. So let's look at the difference between planning and learning again. So here's the same type of diagram that we showed you in the pre-lecture, except now we want you to test yourself. We've got 6 labels here: planning and learning, model-free, model-based, Q-learning, and value iteration. I'd like you to go ahead and imagine where you'd like to place these before going to the next slide. Take a moment to pause and figure out where you'd like to put them. Did you come up with a diagram a little bit like this? So what you should see is that first we have a model-based and a model-free version, right? The model is at the bottom of the graph where the agent has an idea of the ecosystem that's created and is using that in some ways to decide or simulate what we want to do, much as what you're doing in the OpenAI gym. Right? So with a simulator, you can plan all you want, and this is why we have planning on the left-hand side here, and you can decide which actions to take. And we learned one algorithm for doing that, which was value iteration as well as policy iteration. On the other hand, if we don't have a model, we actually don't have the full MDP, and we need to learn it, that is a learning problem. And we looked at one model-free learning problem, learning algorithm rather, which is called Q-learning, which looks at learning the Q function or the expected rewards that are discounted for all future time steps. How did you do? Hopefully really good. And that's it for this lecture, so we'll see you next time. Let's go to the outro.